Hi, let's get started with another series of Arihan 14,000 MCQs. This session is going to be extremely helpful, and all the questions completed in every series is equivalently important. Okay, and if you have any doubt regarding the same, kindly mention it in the comments section. For the PDF, you can contact in the underwritten uh, email ID. Okay, chalo, let's get started. Where is Muslim mosque situated where a hair of Paigambar Muhammad Sahab has been preserved? It is in Srinagar. Okay, Hazrat Bal Mosque. Okay. Which is the correct chronological order of the following acharyas? The answer to this is first. The capital city Daido, established by Kublai Khan, is situated at Beijing, which is in which country? You mention in the comment section. The Mughal painting reached its zenith during the period of Jahangir. And you know Jahangir's wife, the last wife of Jahangir, Noor Jahan started a junta government, okay. Because Jahangir was old, so just JUNTA. I have seen this question in many examinations. They asked that junta government was established by whom? It was established by Noor Jahan, okay, wife of Jahangir. And Prince of Builders was Shah Jahan was known as Prince of Builders. The capital of Yadava rulers was Devagiri, okay. The Bahamani kingdom was founded by Alauddin Hassan. Dilwara temple at Mount Abu in Rajasthan were built by the followers of Jainism, okay. And you tell me how many Tirthankars were there in Jainism, okay? Chalo. Al-Biruni came to India with Mahmud of Ghazni, and he wrote Kitabul Rehla. Sorry, not Kitabul Rehla. He wrote Kitabul Hind, okay, and Kitabul Rehla and Safarnama was written by the traveler who came from Morocco, and we have it here in the next question, I guess, Ibn Battuta. Okay, now which of the following is included in the World Heritage List? It is the Hampi ruins, okay, and Hampi was the capital of Vijayanagar Empire, the southern dynasty. And we have discussed it here that he came from Morocco, and he came in during the time period of Muhammad bin Tughlaq. He was known as the Pagal Raja, वो उसको पागल राजा बोलते थे. Who built the Khajuraho temple? It was built by the Chandila Rajputs, and Khajuraho temple is in Madhya Pradesh. And another question was there. I'm forgetting the question. It was a very common and important question. If I recall, I'll let you know. Kirti Stambh, the Tower of Victory at Chittor, was built by Rana Kumbha. And an humble request, an earnest request to the viewers, not by Rana Pratap, not by Rana Sanga, but by Rana Kumbha. Very, very confusing. Okay. Who got the monumental Rayagopurams in front of the temple at Hampi, Tiruvannamalai, Chidambaram, Srirangam, Tirupati, etc. constructed? It was constructed by Krishna Deva Raya. Krishna Deva Raya was a part of the Vijayanagar kingdom, and he belonged to the Aravidu dynasty. And one more thing, Krishna Deva Raya wrote Amukta in Telugu language, okay. Which of the following architectural wonders was not constructed in 12th AD and 12th the answer to this is Sun Temple, Konark. Where was Saint Kabir born? He was born in Varanasi, and that is option 2, okay, option 2, Varanasi. Which of the following languages was in vogue? अच्छा, in vogue मतलब क्या होता है, पहले ये बताओ. In vogue मतलब fashion, okay, fashion. In fad, FAD, fad. इंग्लिश भी पढ़ा दिया मैंने थोड़ा सा. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग लैंग्वेजेस वाज इन वोग ड्यूरिंग मुगल पीरियड इन द कोर्ट ऑफ इंडिया? ऑफ कोर्स इट हैज टू बी पर्शियन. ओके, इट हैज टू बी पर्शियन बिकॉज वो लोग पर्शियन फॉलो करते थे. एंड बेंटिक ने चेंज किया था इसको वापस इंग्लिश में. ठीक है, यू टेल मी द ईयर. ओके, फाइंड आउट, सर्च करने से याद रहता है दिमाग में. जरा सा मदद करो खुद का एंड हो जाएगा एग्जाम क्लियर. द राइटर ऑफ रामचरितमानस तुलसीदास वॉज रिलेटेड टू विच रूलर? अब तुलसीदास के बारे में पूछा है तो इसका आंसर हो जाएगा अकबर. अकबर के टाइम पे लिखी गई थी रामचरितमानस, तुलसीदास जी ने लिखा था. Which Sufi's dargah is at Ajmer? And we know that the answer is Moinuddin Chishti. Moinuddin Chishti. Who was the architect who designed Taj Mahal? It was designed by Ustad Isa. Okay, architect बोलने से Ustad Isa. और actually there were more, but according to options we'll go for Ustad Isa. Okay. The Assam state derives its name from that of a tribe that conquered the region. Where did the tribesmen came from? They came from Siam, because which is now known as Thailand. Okay, and Assam को पहले हम लोग किस नाम से जानते थे? काम रूप, KAMRUP, कामरूप. ओके, वेरी पैथेटिक हैंड राइटिंग. Shahjahan built the Moti Masjid. Acha, the question with Moti Masjid. There are 3 Moti Masjid. Okay, one was built by Shahjahan, another by Aurangzeb, and another by Jahangir. Okay, now the one built by Shahjahan was in Agra. And you can easily remember this because शाहजहां ने ही ताजमहल भी बनाया था, वो भी आगरा में है. तो ऐसे करके याद रखो. और औरंगजेब ने कहाँ बनाया था? औरंगजेब ने बनवाया था, सॉरी, औरंगजेब वापस लिखने जा रही थी मैं, ये दिल्ली में बनवाया था. ठीक है, दिल्ली का मोती मस्जिद औरंगजेब ने बनवाया था. और जहांगीर ने लाहौर में बनवाया था. लाहौर, ठीक है, लाहौर में. Select the incorrectly matched pair of philosophers and their philosophies. इसका पहले आंसर मार्क करते हैं हम लोग. इसका आंसर है चैतन्य. चैतन्य ने विशिष्ट अद्वैत का फिलॉसफी नहीं दिया था. एंड शंकराचार्य ने अद्वैत का फिलॉसफी दिया था. वल्लभाचार्य ने पूर्ण अद्वैत का दिया था. चारवाक ने लोकायुत का दिया था. ठीक है, और श्री चैतन्य महाप्रभु ने इन्होंने दिया था भक्ति योगा का फिलॉसफी. BHAKTI, भक्ति योगा. ठीक है, भक्ति योगा. और इन्होंने दिया था अचिंत्य भेद अभेद. ठीक है, अचिंत्य भेद अभेद. ठीक है, और ये जो विशिष्ट अद्वैत दिया हुआ है ना, ये फिलॉसफी रामानुज ने दिया था. रामानुज. ठीक है, चलो लेट्स मूव टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. हु गॉट कंस्ट्रक्टेड ग्रैंड ट्रंक रोड? ऑफ कोर्स ये सबको पता होता है, शेरशाह सूरी. और अभी पता है ग्रैंड ट्रंक रोड एग्जैक्टली कहाँ से कहाँ तक है? ये एक्चुअली हम लोग बोलते हैं कि NH1 और 2 को मिला के ये ग्रैंड ट्रंक रोड बनता है. ये वाघा बॉर्डर अटॉक से लेके पूरा सोनारगांव बांग्लादेश तक जाता है. ठीक है, चलो. What do you mean by मुगल जागीर? जागीर बोलते हैं ना, तो वो एग्जैक्टली किसको क्या रिप्रेजेंट करता है? एक्चुअली वो रिप्रेजेंट करता है गिविंग ऑफिसर अ राइट टू रेवेन्यू. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट लेट्स मूव टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Which among the following fort was known as the Key of Deccan? इसको असीरगढ़ बोलते हैं और ये सतपुड़ा में है. सतपुड़ा रेंज में है. और सतपुड़ा रेंज का हाईएस्ट पीक है धूपगढ़. ठीक है, और ये सब ऑफ कोर्स आपको पता होगा मध्य प्रदेश में है. ठीक है, सेलेक्ट द करेक्ट ऑर्डर. इसका सीक्वेंस में लगाने बैठा है. निजामुद्दीन औलिया, कबीर, मीराबाई, तुलसीदास. ये करेक्ट है. अच्छा, मीराबाई जो है ना वो अकबर की कंटेम्प्रेरी है. मीराबाई हुई और उसके बाद तुलसीदास हुए. ये लोग जो है अकबर की कंटेम्प्रेरी है. और आपको पता है कि गुरु नानक देव जी ना 1469 में बॉर्न हुए थे. एंड ये थे कॉन्टेम्प्रेरी बाबर के, ठीक है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, इन शिवाजीज काउंसिल ऑफ मिनिस्टर द प्राइम मिनिस्टर वॉज, ऑफकोर्स प्राइम मिनिस्टर पेशवा को बोलते हैं, और पेशवाशिप किसने स्टार्ट किया था, बालाजी विश्वनाथ ने, ठीक है। चलो, Muhammad bin Tughlaq was proficient in, he was proficient in philosophy, but I must say that his conquest to Devgiri, as well as the his idea of bringing token currency, then increasing the tax in Doab region when there was a drought, all these was a complete disaster. He failed as a ruler, okay. The battle that led to the foundation of Muslim power in India was actually the second battle of Tarain, okay, because first में तो घोरी हार गया था ना. The most important Sufi shrine in India is at Ajmer, okay. Which of the following is associated with Sufi saints? Khanka, okay, Khanka is where like they they sit and they pray. I mean, वो सूफी सॉन्ग सुने हो ना, वो लोग वहाँ पे कंपोज एंड ऑल करते हैं, ठीक है. Now like let's know about the other terms. Synagogue is a place of worship of Jews, okay, and this Dakhma is a place, actually it's a Persian term, okay. It is also known as Tower of Silence. Basically इसमें क्या होता है ना कि जो ह्यूमन कॉप्स है, मतलब डेड बॉडी को, उसको छोड़ दिया जाता है ओपन में ताकि एलिमेंट्स ऑफ नेचर इसको डिकम्पोज करे, ठीक है. ये बेसिकली इसलिए किया जाता है सो दैट सॉइल का कंटामिनेशन या दूसरा नेचुरल एलिमेंट जैसे वाटर का कंटामिनेशन ना हो डेड बॉडी से. सो बेसिकली इट इज एसोसिएटेड विद Zoroastrians, okay. And Tripitak is, of course, you know that it is associated with Buddhism. So the answer to this is Khanka. Which of the following powers did not fight for the Tungabhadra Doab? Tungabhadra Doab was a very fertile land. That's why, that's why rulers had a fight, dynasties had a fight for the Tungabhadra Doab, and the answer to this is Golconda and Ahmednagar Sultanates. Okay. Now, which of the following aspects is not common to both Bhakti movement and Sufi movement? Bhaktism and Sufi movement, they both opposed idol worship. They believed in the mystic and aesthetic beauty of the nature, and they directly believed that there's a connection between human and God, that Almighty, through aestheticness, not by any material thing, okay. Ranthambore was a Rajput fort, okay. It was a Rajput fort. Lakh Baksh, it was a title given to the ruler Kutubuddin Aibak. He was the first slave ruler, okay, but himself was not freed by from slavery. And he married his daughter to Iltutmish, and later on Iltutmish became the ruler, okay. Who is considered as the greatest of all the Vijayanagar rulers? Of course, we know that it's Krishna Deva Raya, because he has done great works and he was a great philosopher too. Mughal presence in Red Fort ceased with the fall of. It completely got destroyed by by the fall of Bahadur Shah II or Bahadur Shah Zafar. But after Aurangzeb, the Mughal power started to decline because of Aurangzeb fanatism and all those harsh policies. And of course, adding to this, the Mughal rulers were not very much strong and very agile. They were rulers like Muhammad Shah Rangila, who was only interested in wine and all the other bad things, okay, but he was not associated with governance. खालसा it was founded by Guru Gobind Singh. Okay, खालसा पंथ की स्थापना किसने की थी? गुरु गोविंद सिंह जी ने की थी. The Delhi general who successfully advanced up to Madurai, he was Malik Kafur, and he was a general of Alauddin Khalji. Who was the greatest bhakti poet of Maharashtra? It was Tukaram. Okay. The foreign traveler who visited India during the Mughal period and who left an expert's description of the peacock throne was the Austrian of it was Tavernier, and the peacock throne was designed by the Austrian of Bordeaux. I mean the architecture. Okay, Tavernier also wrote about the diamonds in India. Okay, of the Panna mines. The dead body of Babur, by his own choice, lies buried outside India, that is in Kabul, and Babur actually died here in India. So at first he was buried in Agra, and later on, since he had a wish, so it was later transferred to Kabul. Okay, Kabul is the capital of Afghanistan. Hope we all know, because it was very much in news after the Taliban's capture. Goa was captured by the Portuguese in the year 1510. 1498 में ये लोग आ गए, लेकिन 12 साल लग गया था गोवा को कैप्चर करते करते. Who was the guru of Shivaji? Shivaji's guru, spiritual guru, if they say, you simply mark Ramdas. Okay, and Tukaram was also influenced. Had influenced Shivaji, and Shivaji's guardian was Dadubhai Kandejev. Amir Khusro was a musician and a Sufi saint. Persian and Hindi writer and scholar and historian, of course, because Amir Khusro had written very beautiful books like Tut-e-Hind. Then he went to he went along with Alauddin Khilji, okay, in his expeditions. So basically, he was a historian and writer, of course, and he was a Sufi saint too. A new coin called the Rupiah was issued for the first time by Sher Shah Suri. Okay. The world famous peacock throne was kept in which of the following Mughal buildings? Actually, the option given over here is wrong. Okay, and I have copied the answer from book only. It shouldn't be Diwan-e-Aam. It was actually present in Diwan-e-Khas. Okay, and the peacock throne was, of course, I told you that it was designed by Austin of Bordeaux, and it was built during the time period of Shah Jahan, and it had got embedded the Kohinoor diamond. The Kohinoor diamond was taken away by Nadir Shah. Nadir Shah came during the time period of Muhammad Shah Rangila. Okay. Which was the birthplace of Guru Nanak Dev Ji? The birthplace of Guru Nanak Dev Ji was Talwindi. Okay. The famous Kohinoor diamond was produced from one of the mines it was produced by the mines of Golconda. Which of the following was not ordered by Alauddin Khalji to control black marketing and hoarding? The answer to this will be more privileges should be given to khuds and mukaddams. This is wrong. The medieval city of Vijayanagar is now known as Hampi. Which of the following Mughal buildings is said to possess the unique feature of being exactly equal in length and breadth? It is Taj Mahal. एकदम square shape में, ठीक है? Who of the following was sent as an ambassador to the royal court of Jahangir by James I? जेम्स वन ने किसको भेजा था ये पूछ रहे हैं. यहाँ पे इसका आंसर हो जाएगा जॉन हॉकिंस. ओके, हॉकिंस. थॉमस रो भी आया था, बट हॉकिंस को जेम्स वन ने भेजा था. खिलजी सुल्तान्स ऑफ दिल्ली they were the Turks. Okay, they were the ethnicity was Turk. The rulers of Vijayanagar promoted Tamil, Telugu and Sanskrit. Okay. The original name of Tansen, the most famous musician at the court of Akbar, his name was Ramtanu Pandey. Banda Bahadur's name was Lakshman Dev. Okay. Qutub Minar was completed by the famous ruler. His name was Iltutmish. It was started by Qutubuddin Aibak. Okay, but it got finished, and in the name of it was started by Qutubuddin Aibak. It was completed by Iltutmish, and Firoz Shah Tughlaq was the one who repaired it when lightning fell on it. Okay. Which of the following are incorrectly paired? It was wait. Krishnadeva Amuktamalya we know, Harshavardhan Nagananda we know, Kalidas Ritu Samara we know, but Vishak Datta did not write Kirat Arjunya. Kirat Arjunya was written by Bhairavi. Okay, Bhairavi. Okay, and Vishak Datta wrote Mudra Rakshas. Okay. Ibn Battuta visited during the reign of, we have already discussed this question, Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Now we have to match. Okay, Tughlaqabad was, alignment is not correct. Okay, fine. See, I guess the options, actually I've copied the questions as it is given in the book, but the book of course has a lot of mistakes. So I'll tell you, Hauz Khas was built by Alauddin Khilji. The city of Siri was found by Alauddin Khilji. Tughlaqabad was built by Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq, and Shah Jahan built the Red Fort in Delhi. Okay. Which of the undermentioned facts about Taj Mahal is not correct? And see, whenever you attempt in the exam, just remember that they're asking not correct. Okay. It is a magnificent mausoleum. Of course, we know it is the mausoleum of Mumtaz Mahal, so this is correct. It was built by Shah Jahan, everyone knows, I guess. It is situated outside Agra Fort. No, this is wrong. The names of artisans who built on it are engraved on it. Actually, no, wait. It is situated outside Agra Fort, and this is wrong. The names of artisans who the name of artisans who built it are engraved on it is wrong. Okay, it is a wrong statement, and it is situated outside the Agra Fort. This is correct. Where did Babur die? He died in Agra. We have already discussed this. Who wrote Akbarnama? It was written by Abul Fazl. Arrange the following in chronological order. Okay, so I have told you already to remember SKTSL. This is a slave, and they were Ilbari Turks. This is Khalji, Khalji, then Tughlaq, then Sayyid, then Lodi. Okay, and don't confuse with S and S. Okay, this is slave, and this is Sayyid. Okay, so if we see that Delhi, D for Delhi, we are getting the answer. If we only know the first also, we will get the answer. The Lodi dynasty was founded by, इब्राहिम लोदी तो हो नहीं सकता, क्योंकि बाबर ने तो इब्राहिम लोदी को मार के पानीपत का बैटल लड़ा था, तो इब्राहिम लोदी टेक्निकली पॉसिबल ही नहीं है. तो अब सिकंदर लोदी कौन था, ये ना एक्चुअली बहलोल लोदी के बाद आया था. इसका आंसर होगा बहलोल लोदी. ओके. Who among the following was an illiterate? Ranjit Singh. I am not saying that they were not good leaders or anything. They were very good, great in fact, but they were not literate. मतलब पढ़ना लिखना नहीं आता था. रंजीत सिंह थे, अकबर था, तो मतलब they were illiterate but very much powerful and all. The first Indian Hindi scholar of the Mughal period was Malik Muhammad Jaisi, जिसको लेके पद्मावत में बहुत सारा इशू हुआ था मूवी में, because basically Malik Muhammad, the incident of Johar and all, Chittorgarh thing took place in the year 1303. Okay, अलाउद्दीन खिलजी ने करवाया था, and Malik Muhammad Jaisi शेर शाह सूरी के टाइम पे थे. ठीक है, तो इतना टाइम बाद तो facts get, anyways, let's not get into that. The Upanishads were translated by Dara Shikoh in Persian under the title of Sir Akbar. After the death of Raja Ram in 1700, the Marathas continued the war against the Mughals under his brave wife, and वो थी ताराबाई. And औरंगजेब जब मरा ना तो ताराबाई उस टाइम रूल में थी. Which Sikh Guru called himself Sacha Badshah. Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji called himself Sacha Badshah. Coronation of Shivaji took place in the year of 1764, and Shivaji was born in this year 1625. Okay, born. Identify the European power from whom Shivaji obtained cannons and ammunitions. He obtained it from the Portuguese. In fact, विजयनगर एम्पायर के जो कृष्णदेवराय है ना, उनका भी अच्छा रैपो था पोर्टुगीज के साथ. The Mughal adventurer who destroyed the Nalanda University was Muhammad bin Bakhtiyar. Paintings reached its highest level of development during the reign of Jahangir. This is a repeated question, but it was as it have copied as it is from the book. No, they have repeated it. Who translated Ramayana into Persian? It was translated by Badauni. And Akbar, Akbar had built a department called Maktab Khana, translation department. Okay, a lot of books had been translated into Persian during the time of Akbar, because Persian was the code language of the Mughals. We have just now got to know about it. The Battle of Haldi Ghati was fought between Akbar and Rana Pratap Singh. The famous peacock throne of Shah Jahan was taken away. I had already told you, Persian from Nadir Shah, and he came during the time period of Muhammad Shah Rangila. The famous Bhakti saint who belonged to the royal family of Mewar. ये ना actually मीराबाई थी, ठीक है, ये मेवाड़ की रानी थी. What does Jahangir means? जहांगीर मतलब जो जहां के ऊपर जिसका राज हो, मतलब conqueror of the world. Humayunama was written by Gulbadan Banu Begum. The French East India Company was founded by, और अगर मैं पूछूं it was founded during the time period, तो हो जाएगा औरंगजेब. ये लास्ट में. What was the name of the hall of worship constructed by Akbar? It was known as Ibadat Khana. Okay. कृष्णदेवराया वॉज अ कंटेम्प्रेरी ऑफ, ये समकालीन बोलते हैं हाँ हिंदी में कंटेम्प्रेरी को, तो ये बाबर के थे. और मैंने आपको इसी लेक्चर में एक और नाम बताया था जो बाबर के कंटेम्प्रेरी थे. वो कौन थे? वो गुरु नानक देव जी थे. गुरु नानक देव जी, ठीक है. ओके. द फर्स्ट मुस्लिम वुमेन हु रूल्ड नॉर्थ इंडिया वॉज, ये थी रजिया सुल्ताना, ठीक है. अच्छा, आप लोग को पता है रजिया सुल्ताना किसकी बेटी थी? रजिया सुल्ताना जो है वो इल्तुतमिश की बेटी थी. एंड ये अल्तुनिया के साथ इनका जो संबंध था, जो वो टाइज बना के रखी थी, इसके वजह से इनके अगेंस्ट कॉन्स्पिरेसी करके इनको हटाया गया था, ठीक है. अदरवाइज इल्तुतमिश ने समझा था कि रजिया उनके बच्चों में सबसे ज़्यादा योग्य है, काबिल है. The Sikh military sect, the Khalsa, was introduced by, मतलब खालसा पंथ की स्थापना किसने की थी ये पूछ रहा है. ये 10th सिख गुरु गोबिंद सिंह जी ने किया था, ठीक है. शिवाजी seceded the forts to the Mughals by treaty of, ये ट्रीटी का ईयर आप लोग बताएंगे, नाम मैं आपको बता रही हूँ. कमेंट सेक्शन में काइंडली सर्च करके आंसर किया कीजिए, इससे सिर्फ और सिर्फ आपका फायदा होगा. एंड इट्स अ हम्बल रिक्वेस्ट, वीडियो को शेयर कीजिए, लाइक कीजिए एंड कमेंट भी कीजिए प्लीज़. कोई तरह का क्वेरी हो, कुछ भी हो, काइंडली डू द सेम. The first Sultan of Delhi who attempted the conquest of South India was, and it is very well known because बहुत बार डिस्कस किया है मैंने, वो अलाउद्दीन खिलजी थे. इसके पहले ना, मतलब जो SKTSL पढ़ाया ना आपको मैंने, SKTSL, तो ये लोग ना बेसिकली नॉर्थ, मतलब ये इंडिया का, सॉरी मैप बहुत गलत है, तो ऐसे पकड़ लेते हैं। तो ये नॉर्दर्न पार्ट में ही ना ये ज़्यादातर रह जा रहे थे। अलाउद्दीन खिलजी ने, मैंने आपको पढ़ाया ना, किसको भेजा था? मलिक कफूर को। मलिक कफूर को नीचे भेजा था, ये इसका जनरल था। और असीरगढ़ पास जो है, ये मैंने अब बताया था कौन सी रेंज में है, सतपुड़ा में है। सतपुड़ा में है, एंड सतपुड़ा कहाँ है? मध्य प्रदेश में है। ठीक है, तो इन लोगों ने पहली बार जो है साउथ इंडिया में अटैक किया था। हु वॉज द गुरु ऑफ कबीर? कबीर के गुरु के बारे में पूछा है, वो थे रामानंदा जी, भक्ति सेंट हैं। ठीक है, द रेप्यूटेड म्यूजिशियंस रू तानसेन एंड बैजू बावरा फ्लरिश्ड। तानसेन का नाम मैंने बताया था, तो चलिए अभी आप लोग रिकॉल करके मुझे बताइए इनका रियल नेम क्या है, और ये किसके कंटेम्प्रेरी है? ये हम लोग ऑलरेडी डिस्कस कर चुके हैं, ये अकबर के थे। और मीराबाई, तुलसीदास, ये लोग सब जो हैं अकबर के ही कंटेम्प्रेरी हैं। फर्स्ट भक्ति मूवमेंट वॉज ऑर्गेनाइज्ड बाय, ये किसके द्वारा किया गया था? क्रोनोलॉजी के अकॉर्ड किया था ना क्वेश्चन हम लोगों ने, ये रामानुजाचार्य जी ने किया था। द मीर बख्शी ऑफ द मुगल वॉज हेड ऑफ, मीर बख्शी आर्मी ऑफिसर, मतलब आर्मी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को बोला जाता था। ये जो इंटेलिजेंस का डिपार्टमेंट था ना, इसको बारीद बोलते थे, BARID। आप लोग सर्च करके मुझे बताइए कि बारीद का डिपार्टमेंट किसने शुरू किया था, किस रूलर ने? विच अमंग द फॉलोइंग वॉज द कैपिटल ऑफ शिवाजी? तो शिवाजी का कैपिटल रायगढ़ हुआ करता था। विच, अच्छा, शिवाजी की मदर और शिवाजी की वाइफ का नाम आप लोग मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में लिख के देंगे। लुक, वेन एवर आप सर्च कर रहे हैं ना कोई भी क्वेश्चन, उसका आंसर वो ऑटोमेटिकली याद होता है, इसलिए मैं बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन जो मेरे दिमाग में आते हैं मैं आपको बोलती जाती हूँ कि इसे कमेंट सेक्शन में लिखिए। दिस विल बी अ हेल्प टू यू, बिलीव मी। Which Sultan of Delhi established an employment bureau, a charity bureau and a charity hospital? इसको दारुल सफ़ा बोलते हैं, हाँ, हॉस्पिटल को दारुल सफ़ा। ठीक है, तो ये फिरोज शाह तुगलक ने किया था। ठीक है, और अकबर ऑफ सल्तनत भी फिरोज शाह तुगलक को बोला जाता है। द चालुक्याज एस्टैब्लिश देयर एम्पायर इन, चालुक्यन डायनेस्टी सदर्न डायनेस्टी था, और ये लोग डेक्कन में किए थे, फार साउथ में, बट डेक्कन रीजन में। ड्यूरिंग अकबर्स रेन द महाभारत वॉज ट्रांसलेटेड इन टू पर्शियन एंड इज नोन एज रज़मनामा। ठीक है, और अकबर ने मकतब खाना खोला था। मकतब खाना मतलब ट्रांसलेशन का काम होगा वहाँ पे, ट्रांसलेशन का। ठीक है, Who among the following Tomar rulers is credited with founding the city Delhi? दिल्ली को किसने ये किया था, सजाया था? तोमर रूलर अंगपाल ने। Who among the following Mughal emperors brought about the fall of सैयद ब्रदर्स? सैयद ब्रदर्स की कहानी मैंने शायद आपको 2-3 लेक्चर्स पहले बताई थी, यहाँ पे मैं आपको आंसर्स बता रही हूँ। ये शाहजहां 2, ठीक है, सॉरी मोहम्मद शाह के आने के बाद जो है ना वो सैयद ब्रदर का फॉल हो गया। ठीक है, ये मोहम्मद शाह रंगीला वही है जो धुत रहता था नशे में एकदम, और इसी के टाइम पे बैटल ऑफ करनाल हुआ था। ईयर आप बताएंगे, नादिर शाह आया था, कोहिनूर डायमंड लेके चला गया था। वेयर इज बड़ा इमाम बारा लोकेटेड? ये बड़ा इमाम बारा जो है ये लखनऊ शहर में है। Who among the following was the Mughal emperor? Was the last Mughal emperor? ये भी मैंने आपको कराया, ये बहादुर शाह 2, जफर, एंड मोदी जी जब म्यांमार गए थे ना उनके फर्स्ट टर्म में, तो ये इनके मज़ार में भी गए थे। तो बेसिकली इनका बरियल प्लेस म्यांमार है, क्योंकि जब 1857 का वॉर हुआ ना तो लीडर्स यहाँ वहाँ भागने लगे। इनके जनरल का नाम आप मेरे को कमेंट सेक्शन में बताएंगे। द इनाम लैंड वॉज वन विच वॉज असाइंड टू, ये आई गेस ये रिपीटेड क्वेश्चन है, ये स्कॉलर्स एंड रिलीजियस पर्सन्स को दिया जाता है। बुक में जैसा रहता है मैं वैसे ही दे देती हूँ आपको, एंड इसलिए रिपीटेड रहता है। बट ऑल आई एम ट्राइंग टू से कि ये क्वेश्चंस बहुत बेनिफिशियल होने वाले हैं, ये मैं बहुत इलेबोरेट करके एक्सप्लेन करती हूँ आंसर्स को। काइंडली कंसीडर सब्सक्राइबिंग प्लीज़, एंड कोई सजेशंस या कुछ भी है वी आर ऑलवेज ओपन टू द क्वेरीज. आप लोग प्लीज कमेंट सेक्शन में मेंशन कीजिए उसको. कंसीडर लाइकिंग इट. थैंक यू सो मच. थैंक यू.